Good morning, students. In the today's session, we'll learn about network simulation tools. What are the network simulation tools? We have Cisco Packet Tracer, NetSim, Unity, NS2, and MS3. Now we'll learn about what is the use of these tools. These tools allows the users to the people for studying for Cisco exams to easily learn the core concepts of computer networking and TCP/IP in general. Even professionals could benefit from these tools by simulating the network environments and get an idea of how a network will work before the actual implementation. Let me see here, for example, if we have the Cisco packet tracer. In this Cisco packet tracer, here if we have the communication between the systems of one network to the another network. Here we are to get the connected from one network to another network. Here we have the switch and here we have the router, and this router and this router and this router, all these routers are having different IP address. And this here, whenever we want to transmit the packet from one network to the another's network, virtually we can do by using this Cisco packet tracer. This is one of the very good example which we can learn. And see here, what is the theme of the Cisco packet tracer? It is the most famous network simulation tools. It is especially for writing Cisco CCNA certification, and it is functionally easy to use, and it is accessible for educational institutions or for people who enrolled in Cisco Tech. Okay, and see here the highlight of this packet tracer is to it's only drag and drop interface. To start testing network topology, see here, whenever if we are working with this Cisco packet tracer, here we have the drag and drop. For example, if I want to work with the two different types of pieces or multiple pieces between the multiple routers and switches, here you have the option called pieces. You can select any PC and you can simply drag. And you can take the proper switch, PT switch or any other switch you can take. And if you want to take the proper router, you can take the router. For example, if I want to work with 2911 router, I can take the 2911 router. Or if I want to work with 4321 router, and I can work with this 4321 router. Okay. And see here, the highlight of this Cisco packet tracer is it's a drag and drop interface. To start testing network topologies, you have to simply choose a network device from the bottom panel and drop it into the building area. And this packet tracer offers several categories of devices such as router, switcher, computers, as well as servers, everything. And the drag and drop UI is complemented by a command line interface. Although you can do much of the setup in the Visual Editor, the command line provides you with full access to all the features of the packet tracer, including the TCP/IP settings as well as for the network settings. And here for the we have that TCP/IP settings of network devices and these routing protocols, suppose the layer 2 features, etc. And next here we have the GNS3. It is a software that empowers the network professionals. Okay, and the theme of this GNS3 is quite a bit different from Cisco packet tracer. Although the GNS3 is also the more powerful, different, like here it is difficult to set up and it is going to offer you more flexibility than the packet tracer. It's all in all more advanced and allows you to do more. The most important of GNS3 over the packet tracer is that GNS3 is the open source and it is going to support more device options. Okay, and if needed, you can dive into the source code to extend the basic functionality. And the most probably won't benefit from the open source license of GNS3, but it is still nice to have. And what is Bose and NetSim? Here in this also we have the different types of pieces. By this, we can have the proper transmission of data between the two pieces with the proper route. Okay, and the core of this NetSim is the network designer. It is a tool that allows you to create intuitive topologies with ease. Among the things that the network designer lets you do analyzing here elements, and it is you can also do the annotation, topologies, and easily identifying the active as well as the inactive connections. And here this NetSim allows you to share your own labs, lab packs, and network topologies with others as well. Likewise, you may view labs and topologies of other NetSim users, which may give you an edge in education. Next here when you are working with the NetSim 3, this works with a wide range of platforms as well, most notably IDEs such as Ellipse, Eclipse, NetBeans, although these are not supported officially. In the next session, we'll continue with the rock. Thank you. All the best.